We're in room 624 at the Hyatt Regency Pittsburgh International Airport. Start off, we have a peephole with a cover that's seen better days, let's just say. A very early 2000s emergency exit map. As you can see, there are 2 service elevators, and yes, there's a freight elevator here, but it's not listed. And there are 3 guest elevators. So we got a manual deadbolt, a rather worn out chain lock, anyways, we go into the restroom. This hotel has been renovated. Hello. And you got a sink. And you have a bed mist cover. Kohler 1.6 gallon per flush. Oh, and you have a mirror here. And it is not illuminated. Hi. And you see, it even shows the time. We're going to show you now this. We got a shower head, which is also has been updated. Has the pressure. Get this out of the way. Very strong. Very strong. And here, you have an enclosed closet. Wood hangers. Got storage space. And an Asa Abloy safe. Definitely big enough for a Latitude D630. And you go into the main area. That's a luggage stand. LG flat screen TV. Got 2 comfortable beds. Got a phone here and a lamp. And you got a coffee maker, which I've unplugged because my Acer Aspire is plugged in. Speaking of it's right here. Main fridge, and there's my computer bag. With a nice LED light. Your ice bucket. And your view out the window. And painting of Pittsburgh. So that will be it.